All right, friends, it's time to work with RDW again. You did a great job yesterday. Now I need you to get this piece of paper and get ready to show me some math. All right, I'm going to read you the story problem. Remember, you're going to draw a picture that shows you're thinking the math way. And then you are going to write a number bond or a number sentence. Nathan has 6 crackers. I gave him 3 more crackers. How many crackers does he have now? Go ahead and draw a picture to show the story. Remember, be precise with your circles. See if they match the story. Are they clear and easy to understand? Write a number bond or a number sentence, or hey, even both. I'm going to read it to you one more time. Nathan has 6 crackers. I gave him 3 more crackers. How many crackers does he have now? Make a video on Seesaw explaining how you solved the problem, reading your number sentence or number bond to us, and if you used a math strategy, tell us about it. Can't wait to watch your video.